So no, it's not about the number of subscribers, but more about guys, it's me, Anne Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about YouTube Sweldo. Since nag-start yung pandemic, dumami yung bagong content creators sa YouTube and TikTok. Dahil maraming baguhan, I'm going to share with you guys today 10 things you need to know about YouTube Sweldo. On the later part of this video, I'm even going to show you some screenshots from my YouTube analytics. So yan, papakita ko sa inyo yung YouTube Sweldo ko and yung different factors na nakaka-affect sa YouTube Sweldo. Before I start pala, I would like to quickly introduce to you my channel. My channel's name is my name, Anne Christine Yabut, and as of today, meron tayong 4,600 subscribers and 217 or 218,000 views. I vlog about plants, beauty, food, travel. Hindi ako nag-niche down kasi I kind of wanna talk about different things talaga. Requirements for monetization is 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours or 240,000 watch minutes. And dapat ma-achieve nyo yon within 365 days kasi yung watch hours nag-expire siya every 365 days. Kaya sometimes magtataka kayo when you check your watch hours, bakit parang nababawasan? Eh hindi ka naman nagdi-delete ng video. Updates regarding YouTube monetization. So merong dalawa. Yung una, matatax na yung views natin. Don't be mistaken, hindi yung buong revenue natin, only the views coming from US viewers. It's very important na fill upan mo na yung tax details mo sa AdSense. I think until May 2021 na lang pwedeng fill upan yon kasi June 2021 magte-take effect na yung tax. Philippines is actually one of the countries na merong treaty sa US. So instead na 30, 15% na lang. Papakitaan nila kayo ng list of countries na merong treaty with US. Kung hindi mo ma-fill upan yung sayo, by default, they're going to take 30%. The second update is, ito bali-balita lang naman to, ang mga small channels daw, even though they're not yet eligible for monetization, meron nang magsho-show na ads sa videos nila and the revenue will not go to the creator but will go to YouTube. Iba't ibang paraan para mag-earn yung channel mo. So, nandyan yung ads, yung mga skippable, non-skippable, and yung mga bumper ads, yung maliliit na sticker sa lower part ng video. And then, meron din yung merch and subscriptions. Merch and subscriptions, both, meron yung certain number of subscribers ka muna dapat na ma-reach. As for ads naman, meron yung pre-roll sa start ng video mo, mid-roll during the video, and post-roll yung after your video. Yung mga videos na 8 minutes or longer, sila lang yung pwedeng maglagay ng mid-roll ads. So kung mapapansin nyo, yung ibang creators, sinasadya nila na gawin talagang 8 minutes or mas mahaba pa. Before, actually, 10 minutes nga dapat eh. But ngayon, in-update na nila, kahit 8 minutes lang yung video mo, pwede ka maglagay ng mid-rolls, unlimited actually, kung manual mo siyang ipi-place. Kasi pwede yung manual placement, pwede ding automatic placement. Automatic placement, you let YouTube decide kung saan part niya gustong ilagay yung ads and kung ilang ads yung gusto niya. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo yung iba, tinatadtad nila ng ads, possible yon kapag manually mo siya pinlace. But, balansahin mo lang to make sure na hindi naman sobrang annoying na puro na lang ads. Meron tayong $100 na threshold sa AdSense. Hanggat hindi umaabot ng $100 yung revenue mo, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-withdraw. Now, let's talk about the different factors that affect YouTube revenue or YouTube Sweldo. Number one, number of views. So, no, it's not about the number of subscribers, but more about views. Length of video, kasi sabi ko nga kanina, pag 8 minutes or longer, mas marami ka pang malalagay na ads. Topic. So, may certain topics sa YouTube na mas mataas yung binabayad nila na CPM or cost per mille or cost per 1,000 views. Later, i-reveal ko kung ano yung mga topics na yon. Countries of origin of viewers. May certain countries din na mas mataas yung cost per mille. I-reveal ko din yon later. Of course, kailangan wala kang copyright strike. Kasi kahit ang ganda-ganda ng video mo, ang daming nag-view, of course, kung may copyright strike ka, you won't be able to monetize it. Also, kung meron kang violation, Baka naman yung video mo is about suicide or violence, ganon. So, makikita mo naman sa YouTube yung mga guidelines kung ano yung mga bawal na i-content. Here are topics with higher cost per mille or CPM than other topics. E-commerce, real estate, insurance, finance, software, trading, marketing, makeup, and fitness, and marami pang iba. Countries with high CPM. I-share ko na sa inyo yung screenshots ng YouTube Analytics ko. Para ma-check nyo rin yun sa inyo, all you have to do is to go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, and then Earnings. Tapos dun sa pinakababa, Top Geographies by CPM. For my channel, ito yung mga matataas yung cost per meal. Australia, $9.49. United States, $9.05, Canada, $7.28, United Kingdom, $7.19, panglima si Singapore, $5.21, United Arab Emirates, $3.47, Malaysia, $1.36, and then si Philippines, $1.13 lang. Pero may mas mababa pa doon, si India, $0.86, and si Indonesia, $0.59. Pero kung check nyo yung YouTube Studio nyo, iba-iba yung CPM na lalabas dun sa particular countries na yon. Again, it's because of yung topics nga na binavlog natin. Merong mga ibang vloggers na kahit Filipino sila or Asian sila, they choose to vlog in English para ma-attract nila yung mga audience from these countries na mas mataas yung CPM. And to go global na rin, diba? So you will have a global audience. Now it's time to expose myself more. I'm going to show you guys some more screenshots. Magkano nga ba ang sweldo ng mga YouTubers? You guys know there's no one answer. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung top earning videos ko. Number 1 ko si 21 Philodendron Varieties. Meron siyang na-earn na $119.63, 5,800 pesos. Take note guys, 74,000 something views na siya. So it took 74,000 views to get 5,800 pesos. Next is Frozen Collagen, Frozen Detox, Lazelle Gluta. Meron siyang $21.85. Nasa 1,000 pesos lang yan. And meron na tong 12,000 views. Next is Plant Haul, 14 must-have plants. $16.35 lang to guys, kahit na 41,000 views siya. Kasi ito yung video na nagpa-monetize sa channel ko. So, half ng 41,000 is pinangkompleto ko siya ng watch hours, and then yung half, ayun, na monetize na siya. How to start your own milk tea business. Ito naman may 35,000 views and 15.89 lang yung revenue niya kasi same. Pinang-complete ko din yun ng watch hours. Pure Beauty Collagen Review. As of today, meron na tong almost 5,000 views. $8.61 naman yung revenue niya. So, eto na. Ipapakita ko na ang aking YouTube sweldo. Pinaka-suspense ko pa talaga, parang ang taas, diba? Pero may idea na siguro kayo based doon sa mga pinakita ko na top earning videos. Lifetime ko na to, ha? So, from October 5, that's the day na na-monetize ako. Up to today, it's April 26. So, yan. Meron tayong $214.01. And if we convert that to peso, so 10,486.49. Only. And grabe, limang buwan na ba? October, November, December, January, February, March, April, 6 pala. So, 6 months na. Tapos, yun pa lang yung revenue. So, if I were you, support your favorite creators. Manood kayo ng videos nila. And katulad nga ng lagi nilang sinasabi, please don't skip ads. Dahil nga hindi ganun kataas ang sweldo, pag-usapan naman natin ng other ways to earn as a content creator. Ito, personally talaga to, ha? So, number 1 is brand partnerships. Tip ko sa inyo, guys, is kahit na nagbo-vlog ka sa YouTube, you have to make sure na hindi lang sa YouTube oras mo and yung effort mo. Kailangan ina-update mo rin si Facebook, si Instagram, TikTok. Naniniwala ako na iba-ibang tao yung makakakita sa'yo doon. Hindi naman iisa lang yung audience mo sa Facebook and sa Instagram and sa YouTube kasi may kanya-kanyang preferred na platform yung mga tao. In my case, pinaka nakakakuha ako ng brand deal sa Instagram. Ito yung Instagram account ko. Yan. These are some of the brand deals. And And guys, siguro on another video ko na lang i-explain sa inyo kung how it works, paano kung magre-reach out sa yung brand, paano kung ikaw ang magre-reach out sa brand, paano yung terms, perks, payment. So, second naman is affiliate links. Before, siguro mga 2017 pa, affiliate ako ni Zalora. How do you earn through affiliate links? Ito, usong-uso to ngayon. Ang dami nyo nakikita na Shopee Ambassador, Lazada Ambassador, and then, hi guys, I got this top from Shopee, link in my bio, or I got this cute coffee mug from Lazada, please swipe up. Kumikita yung mga creators sa ganon. Pag ginamit yung link na shinare nila sa pag-purchase. But ako naman nun, sa Zalora, meron ako sariling discount code na pwedeng gamitin ng followers ko. So, minsan ganon. Next is Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee. May mga iba-ibang sites wherein you could support your favorite creators. As for me, I signed up for Buy Me a Coffee, pero hindi ko pa siya ina-explore. So, hindi ko pa siya ma-explain talaga. Ang pagkakaintindi ko kay Patreon, yun nga, pwede mong isupport yung mga favorite creators mo. Small amount lang naman. And then, may makukuha kang extra value from them. It could be behind the scenes, exclusive vlog na dun niya lang i-upload, wala sa YouTube niya, or it could be coaching. Kung meron siyang course na ina-offer, it could be marketing, iba-iba. Lastly, freelance work. Nag-freelance work ako before. I write for Click the City, One in Angeles, Pampanga Pet Magazine. Pwede din naman na photography and videography services. And that concludes today's vlog. I hope nag-enjoy kayo and may natutunan kayo from me. If you have any other questions about YouTube Sweldo na hindi ko na-discuss in this video, feel free to comment down below. And ang masasabi ko lang sa'yo is to keep on creating. Upload ka lang ng upload, shoot ka lang ng shoot, edit ka lang ng edit. Definitely, gagaling ka. And one way or another, meron makakakita ng video mo, paunti-unti, mag-grow yung channel mo.